If not the general population, crypto lovers had known for a couple of years that Doge partakes in a major bull run against BTC if it falls into a specific interest zone. In 4.5 years, Doge effectively had 7 bull runs against BTC, and this by 2019-2020 crashed numerous financial backers' trust and Doge significant appreciation. Then on December 20th, 2020, as Bitcoin accomplished new all-time highs achievements. Image. Master Elon Musk, circling back to his several previous Dogecoin tweets, tweeted single work Doge when Musk tweeted SpaceX will put a strict Dogecoin on the exact moon months after Dogecoin had risen 5,200 against Bitcoin in around 90 days. Like vultures on a corpse, this subsequent run attracted financial backers to Doge and other memo coins versus what Dogecoin's base would maintain that you should accept. Well, a forecast of Doge's future development depends on its usage case materiality similarly to other coins. In fact, Doge is expected to maintain its bullish structure for the next 3 to 4 years based on its historical performance, assuming Doge endeavors to repeat the price examples of 2021 before long 2023 until 2025. We anticipate a comparable pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 if the example is maintained to the extent that Doge trades as high as or close to $2. Generally, Dogecoin meninges has consistently kept the altcoin in the lead, and this year the most well-known crypto exchanges like Gemini and eToro have recorded Doge, causing the price to soar. However, the fact that the digital currency lacks value negatively affects Dogecoin, as many believe it is a sham, and if this belief remains unaltered, the cost of Dogecoin may have a hard time breaking out of 40 cents due to Dogecoin's price began the year at $0. It subsequently increased steadily and reached a peak of $0. Doge's value increased as a result of Bitcoin's price increase in February. During this period, Doge gained widespread attention after its price nearly multiplied in a single day in response to various events, including Elon Musk's support. The price of Doge increased by 15,000% in May. The negative effects of the SNL event on the price of Dogecoin were compounded by the May 19 market decline. This caused the price of Dogecoin to drop to approximately 16 cents. Doge 2030 and past irrespective of whether Doge reached $1. You must understand that digital currency markets are very unstable, making it difficult to precisely predict a coin's price in a couple of hours and surprisingly difficult to give long-term estimates, so it is possible that examiners misunderstand their expectations. You are witnessing the results of an individual's inordinate influence on a cryptocurrency coin. Market development could at any time affect you. Imagine the force with which Doge rose and fell without taking a breath. Uncertain long-term holders could be regretting they did not join the paper hands. Bunch, I am not describing Doge's demise. Nobody is claiming Doge is going extinct, we're merely expressing the market's obvious pattern. Sit back and relax as we delve into dissecting Doge's pattern using specialized instruments to predict its future development over the next few years, Q1-Q2 2021. In January 2021, Doge experienced a price surge from 1 cent to 3 cents, which was the first time in Doge's history that such an interest surge occurred. This enlivening of Doge occurred days after the GameStop fear on Reddit caused GameStop's shares to increase by nearly 2,000% beginning in January 2021. Dogecoin experienced a resurgence as a result of Reddit and a tweet from the CEO of Wall Street Bets asking whether Doge has ever been worth $1. Similar Wall Street bets were responsible for the GameStop stock crash, which harmed mutual funds that are shorting or betting against the stock. Hours after the tweet, a large number of people joined the subreddit Satoshi Road Wagers and expounded on taking Doge to the moon, urging customers not to sell the cryptocurrency until its value reached $1. One of the earliest posts on Satoshi Street Wagers read, "We should make Dogecoin a thing, that's all there is to it." This is the post at 12:03 p.m. Singapore time on November 1, 2011. Dogecoin added approximately $7.17 billion to its market capitalization in 24 hours, and its total market capitalization remained at $8.2 billion, making it the 10th largest digital currency. Such activity in the digital currency space is not new. In 2018, the United States was the largest market for digital currencies. This development resembled an energizing call to individuals who had relied on Doge requests to start pulling their requests. Doge holders accepted they could drive the cost further, which they did after Doge framed his first Harambe's candle. It drove further up to make its ADH exchanging around 8 cents, before experiencing areas of strength for a dismissal and retracing 78%. Doge required this retracement to adjust cost activity. The retracement came to a top of half awkwardness and cost activity below. After achieving equilibrium, Doge had motivation to turn into the potential gain, which it did. However, Doge failed to do so and went to short right down to 1 cent, where it began on January 28. This would have been a disaster for those predicting that Doge has finally awoken. Doge continued its 270% bull run from 0.02, where it initially retraced support back to the ADH zone to form an obstruction zone as prices failed to revitalize over the previous high and instead encountered a negative dismissal, supported by offers driving the value down to around 5 cents, where an intraday request zone acted as a support zone. That would later hold until April before price broke out. Market construction could be for long-term negative, however at that point the volume marker showed that the sell strength of the negative dismissal isn't really areas of strength for that the purchase move that was opposed at the ADH zone, since costs tracked down help at the 5th of February request zone. The cost has been returning quickly and forward from 4 cents to 6 cents for 45 days. It was without a doubt an extended rest. This extended rest endured till April 1st when there was a break-in structure on the everyday time span with a 4H Mirabuzzo candle. This boss re-established the market construction to its bullish state, yet couldn't shoot higher than that until it came to track down a more grounded request as the purchase starting D zone on the second 7-day stretch of April, but started request zone thusly supported areas of strength for an energy that moderated April 13 ADH. To make another ADH of 44 cents 3 days after the fact. That presentation was one more huge leap forward for Doge, accomplishing a 550 cost flood in only 3 days. This flood can generally be referred to Musk and Cuban's tweets. Musk tweeted the Doge father illustration, created by SNL. Cuban, the Ball Group proprietor of the